So this is our first trip to Home Depot to get some of the supplies we need to go in and finish up, like doing something to decorate. So we're checking out now. Got most of the stuff. Wrapping it up. So I'm making headboards for the bed. So I took these headboard plaques, or just plaques you can put on your wall. I ordered them from Amazon, and they come in white, and you can paint them whatever color you want to. So I'm gonna paint these yellow. These are gonna be this forest green, and then these are going to be pink, and they all are gonna match the theme of the bedroom. Just got the refrigerator delivered. Still a little mess around here, but we're working. So we just got through doing a couple hours of painting and getting the beds and decor together, doing a little disinfecting and doing that to the house. And now we headed back to the hotel to get some sleep and get some to eat. You can see, like, I've been working hard. You see how it is? You see this? He hating, but I've been working hard. I'm a real painter. Park on the street, you have to pay up until 10 o'clock p.m. So from 10 p.m. to 10 a.m. it's free. But they have these little parking stations, kind of like we have in the U.S. But a big caveat we had is they have an app like this that you can download, but you cannot use it if you don't have a Mexican phone number. So we had to get coins every day to actually park on the street. This street, part of the 5th Street.
My boy Gustavo pulled up. Hey!
Thank you. I appreciate it. This time with you guys.
So we are headed out today to get the rest of the furniture items for the place down here. We're really having a hard time finding a nice, sturdy couch. So I said today we're actually going to hit the pavement and stop looking online and really see what, you know, they have to offer as far as furniture and electronics, and we need to get like about everything. So we are in this furniture store, but it has like different things everywhere. Like, it's real cool. It's like, it's supposed to be like more like a standout key pieces and stuff like this, but it does have like all the dishes and stuff you want. It look real cool. I think I'm definitely gonna find some key things in here. This is the only reason he won't read somebody. Look at the neighbors. Why you care about me looking at the neighbors?
Man, I like the body. I like the way women are shaped. Not that I want to be with them, I only want to be with you. But the way the female body is, that's God's gift, baby. I told you it's a blessing from God.
Live.
A blessing from God. And
We ended up getting a couple things, nothing big we was able to get as far as like TVs or couches. But yeah, this is the place down here. I do not know how to pronounce it. Shedderai. That's like kind of like their local Walmart. So got a lot of stuff in it. Got the TV. We headed from Walmart and headed our way back. Headed into our condo. They really be out here with kids on these mopeds. They can care less. Or not that they can care less. That shit, that's a skill. I'm just not that skilled. So you gotta go into the
so that's Christina.
You do not know her name is Christina.
I call her Christina.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I ain't even got the fuck with
So we
that.
can go in like that. Yeah, cause we residents. The fuck. She seen us. She know her.
You say Christina, fuck with her.
Ain't neither one.
Nah, this
Her
nigga here.
name.
This old nigga here.